Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. Approximately 15 miles from Penrith, down a long twisting country lane, lies Haweswater Reservoir. Mardale Green was a small village around one of the highest natural lakes in Cumbria. The land was compulsorily purchased after the Haweswater Land Act in 1919. The people were evacuated and the village dismantled. A dam was built to form the reservoir and the valley filled with water. Haweswater supplies a quarter of the northwest with fresh drinking water, some of the finest in the country. The dam wall measures over 1,500 feet long and 90 feet high. At the time of construction, it was considered to be cutting-edge technology, as it was the first hollow buttress dam in the world, being constructed using 44 separate buttress units joined by flexible joints. When the reservoir is full, it holds 84 billion litres, that's 18.6 billion gallons of water.